Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to use your workout journal and track your workouts. So I'm inside of one of my clients' profiles right here. So I'm going to go to Saturday here at the top where he has his next workout, and you can see he has workout 3 scheduled. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and tap on workout number 3. This is where you're going to see a general overview of your workouts. You'll see the instruction box there. You can press see more. You'll kind of see the instructions that we leave for you there. And then you'll see your exercises, the sets, repetitions, rest periods. You'll kind of give you a nice overview. You can even click on a specific exercise. As an example, if I click on the Smith squat, it'll show what my client did last time. So you can see the dates on the right-hand side, the last time he did this exercise, and then how he performed, which is really cool. You can see how many reps you did, how much weight. It even gives you little stats there at the top. And this is important because we do want you to progress exercises. So remember, when you are looking at the overview, you can tap on an exercise to kind of see your previous performance. So, if my client, let's say it's the Saturday, he's about to do this workout, you're going to press start now, and it's going to send you to your workout journal. This is where you're actually tracking your workout. So his first exercise is a leg extension set. It's just one set of 150 reps. It's a really good quad pump in this example here. So let's say he completes that set and he does the 150 repetitions and he ends up using 55 pounds. You just type in the reps, you type in the weight being used, and then you'd move on to the next exercise here. So again, on the left-hand side for the Smith squat, again, you'll see what he did previously. So set 1 last time, he did 75 pounds. Set 2, he did 95, and then he went down to 85 pounds too. It's really helpful because, again, when we're working through our training blocks, we want to know what we did last time so we can hopefully progress as long as your body feels good. So as an example, let's say set 1, he does 10 reps and he does 85 pounds. Excellent. You just type that in. Set 2 comes around. Let's say he does 8 reps and he ends up doing 105 pounds. Excellent. And then set 3 comes. Let's say he does 6 reps and he goes up to 115. Perfect. So that's kind of how you do it. You just kind of work through the workout journal from top to bottom and complete the workout. It's really simple. And then at the very bottom, when you're done with your workout, you're going to press that button that says save right there. And then you can pretty much rank the workout. You can tell us as coaches how difficult that workout felt for you, pretty much on a scale of 1 to 10, kind of from easy to all the way to like beyond hard. So let's say that workout was somewhat hard. And then you can also tap to leave a comment. You can say something like, that was great, or, anything when it comes to feedback about your workout. Oh, my elbow was hurting on this exercise or whatever it was, right? So you can leave some comments there. And then once you're done, you can press done. It's going to store all that information. It might show you some highlights based on what you did, like some personal records, stuff like that. But it's pretty simple. That's how to use your workout journal and track your workouts.